Oh my God, here we are again, continuing our third before fourth.
And
I decided to
bewildering.
keep the same outfit. Do I look pretty? I don't even go into the mirror. I don't know what's happening. But,
No idea what's happening.
so last time we asked him his character, he said, and at that time when that movie came out, I was a younger man and I always had a crush on the son.
The son, yes. The love interests.
It was so cute, but I was cute too and young. But no, I would have to say that when the mother, when you know, after she locked herself in the room and they're like, holy shit, and they didn't have a mother and they didn't know what was happening, and all of a sudden he comes out looking like fucking she's heading straight out to fucking Sunday brunch on Easter, motherfucker.
And Gene Hackman's character just fell in love.
He was like,
She's like,
this is the woman.
This is
of
Barbara
my
Bush.
dreams. It's true. Oh, that
Barbara
shit was
Bush is here.
classic. When that bitch walked out looking like fucking,
I agree, that was fabulous.
that was, you couldn't beat that shit. That's what fucking stardom is made out of. And it was just, that shit was the best.
And the dinner scene, remember the dinner scene?
The dinner scene with the cocks on the plate. And by cocks, I don't mean the rooster.
What does that say? I can't see. She's like, oh, they're little boys and they're playing leapfrog.
No, what was it that he said? Because she said something. She's like, I think there's something. And he said, well, I've seen that and it doesn't look like that. What was it that she said?
Oh,
We're not going to remember.
She did. That's what she
What was
said.
it?
She was looking and she said, "Oh, what is this? What is this neat pattern?" She goes, "Looks like boys playing leapfrog." And that's when Robert Rinsky with the soup. That's fine.
Here we have the peasant soup. Peasant soup.
Oh, that was great.
And then they all tasted the poor peasant soup. And they all reached for the bread. And then he's like, oh, no. Before they reached for the bread, they said, this is the peasant food. This is your main course. And so every single one of those motherfuckers went straight for the fucking bread.
Spartacus did not do a good job cooking.
No. Peasant soup was horrible. The other day, which she actually took away. I was very surprised. But the other day, I saw a roast, a drag queen roast, and they were roasting Heklina. He doesn't know who Heklina is
Heklina?
yet. Am I saying it right? Because, you know, Heckle, like Heklina. And they did a roast on her ass. With all the other drag queens.
I know Laquifa.
Laquifa. You know who that is, right? That is
Laquifa.
Shangela's alter ego
That's some
comic.
funny shit.
She is fucking
Laquifa.
funny. Oh my God, we have to finish up
Oh,
the burger. Oh,
I'm
look at
sorry.
her. It was her idea. We should do the burger thoroughly. Oh, okay, you got 3 thoroughly minutes. So, back to my fucking Heklina. So, in other words, Heklina's not the prettiest.
That's not the
girl.
birdcage.
I'm getting to that.
Oh.
So in the
Let's
roast,
see how you tie this together.
oh, it's gonna be good because Heklina looked exactly like this. And when they said this joke, the entire audience died because when you think of the image that you're going to get in your head, that's what Heklina looked like at that moment that she was being roasted. And the roast was after Heklina does her shows, she usually goes on Craigslist and tries to elicit straight men, you know, for things. And then she goes on to say, you know, it surprises me that there's such a large market for people who just lust after people who look like Gene Hackman at the end of the Birdcage movie.
And run full circle, yeah!
That's a fucking great joke. Because she did look like him.
That's true. That is funny.
And when you see her, he's never seen Heklina. He can't appreciate
I
it.
know Gene Hackman in drag,
Good.
and that was sexy.
450. What else?
Oh, what other? Oh, more.
We have one
bird-
more show.
More bird
to wrap
cage
it up.
stuff. Well, I gotta think now. Put me on the spot.
You don't have to think about anything because our time is up and we're gonna do the fourth and final. God damn.
Is this over yet?
What is it? What is it?
Critical
Birdcage.
review.
Birdcage. Yeah, she's critical review. We'll finish the birdcage the next time. Thank you, Jesus.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Yay.